part of researching is to know exactly what we're doing. Okay, 800 317. Short to the park visiting to Exeter and Davids. This one calls at Tiverton Parkway and Exeter and Davids. This train normally goes down to Cornwall or Devon, but today is engineering works after St David's, so let's go and follow. Okay, here goes another Exeter train. 317 again. Yeah, not even north until 317 goes away. 800 317. Taking another branch line. Hear that sound a minute? There you go. That weird click sound. Man, I like that sound. .317 goes away. 800 317. Don't worry about those 8 cars. We'll do them as soon as we finish. There you go, it's taking the branch line to its destination.